In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the header on your Wix website. A well-functioning header is essential for navigation and overall user experience, so let's make sure yours is working perfectly on your site. First, let's open up your Wix dashboard. After logging in, take a moment to locate your website's editor. This is where the magic happens. Click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Here, you'll see a visual representation of your website, with its various sections laid out on the page. The header section, usually at the top, is likely the first thing visitors see, so it's important to get it right. Now, click directly on the header to select it. You'll see your header menu pop up, which gives you access to customization options. If your header is static but you'd like it to be dynamic, press the Stretch button. You'll find this option on the toolbar that appears when you've clicked on the header section. Stretching the header ensures it adjusts with the screen size, offering a seamless experience across devices. Let's move on to ensuring your header is fixed. A fixed header means that it remains visible at the top of the screen even when a visitor scrolls down the page. This feature provides constant access to your menu, making navigation easier. To fix your header, locate the settings icon on the header toolbar and click on it. Next, select Scroll under the settings menu. Here, you'll need to check the option that reads Fixed Position. Once that's selected, your header will stay within view during scrolling, enhancing user accessibility. If you're seeing content issues, like overlapping elements within the header, it's time to clear things up. Double-click on the text or elements you need to rearrange. Use your mouse or trackpad to move them around, ensuring nothing overlaps and that there's a clean look. Wix's grid lines will help guide you in achieving balanced alignment. Remember to consistently check that your site's text is readable and aesthetically aligned. For those looking to make additional design changes, click on Design in the header's toolbar. There, you can update fonts, colors, or backgrounds to match your brand style. Consistent branding reinforces recognition and helps in driving engagement. Once you've completed your changes, make sure to preview your site as it will appear for visitors. Click on the Preview button found at the top corner of your editor. Navigate around the site to ensure everything, especially that header, functions smoothly. If satisfied, don't forget the crucial step of clicking Publish. This ensures your changes are live and viewable by the public. By following these instructions, you can ensure a polished and professional-looking header on your Wix website. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy designing!